Good evening, Silverado families. I'm Jamie Ditto, the principal of Silverado High School, and I'd like to extend a heartfelt welcome to our open house for the 24-25 school year. Tonight is all about connecting with our amazing staff and learning more about what your child's day will look like. We're thrilled to have you here, and before we dive into the evening, I want to share a few key details that will help you navigate our schedule. Here's a quick overview of the evening. From 6 to 6:15, we'll start with a brief announcement and hand out the trifold for each families. This trifold contains important information about our school and tonight's schedule. Each first period teacher will give a 10-minute presentation about themselves and their classroom systems and structures. After that, you will have 5 minutes of a passing period before heading to the second period. During that presentation, it will follow the same format of all the other periods, ending with a 10-minute presentation from your child's sixth period teacher at around 7:20. By 7:30, families will be free to head home for the evening. As we start the school year, it's important to know who is who here on campus, and our fantastic administrative team is here to support you and your children throughout the school year. Ms. Krista Ortiz is our assistant principal for activities. Ms. Caitlin Watts is our assistant principal that oversees MTSS and technology. Ms. Cindy Castro is our assistant principal that oversees athletics and facilities. Ms. Bianca Luchin is our assistant principal that focuses on curriculum. Mr. Brian Castro and Mr. Dave Staves oversee discipline and attendance. As you might have noticed, we're currently undergoing some significant modernization upgrades. We ask that you pardon our dust and thank you very much for your patience as we enhance our campus for a better learning environment. Finally, thank you for coming tonight. We genuinely appreciate your involvement and support. We're excited to partner with you for a wonderful school year. Enjoy the open house here and have a fantastic 24-25 school year at Silverado.